Hey guys, welcome in my channel. Hope you all are doing well. If you are new on my channel, so welcome. And my name is Priyanka. For styling, makeup, DIYs, reviews, subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram for new updates. So today I am going to share how to curl your hair with flat iron straightener. So let's get started. Keep watching. I am using Siska flat iron I purchased from online, and first of all you have to comb your hair. And divide your hairs in sections. I am using Leave-On hair serum for protect my hairs from heat. And use any clutcher or rubber band for separate your hairs. Take little section of hair and do it straight first. You have to curl your hairs inside, don't rotate to the outside. Wow, 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 wow. To show you, I am turning my hairs outwards and see my hairs now. So see my hair, it's looking like mara hua chua. So don't do like this, and you have to do inside only. And I am doing same as before. अपनी फिंगर से आपको अपने बालों को राउंड देना है जिससे वो कर्ल बिल्कुल बने रहे। Hope you can understand that how can curl your hair with help of hair straightener. If you liking my video, please press the like button and press the subscribe button, and don't forget to press bell icon button for further new videos notifications. आज तो सबको अपने हेयर्स कर्ल्स करने आ जाएंगे। कितने इजी तरीके से हम अपने हेयर्स को कर्ल्स कर सकते हैं। So from now, no need to go parlor and don't waste your money for curls and all. So keep doing at home. and it's done only in 10 minutes. So enjoy guys, bye.